Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for stopping by once again. We are few steps away from the end of our All That Drone series this season. On this episode, I'm thinking of talking about my 5 favorite drone movements. And on the last episode, I am planning to give my 5 simple tips how to fly your drone safely. But before that, I appreciate it if you subscribe to my channel. And of course, if you like this video, please leave a thumbs up. And also don't forget to turn on that bell notification. So let's keep this going. But first, click on the subscribe button and turn the notification bell. So, I've been using my Mavic drone for approximately 5 years now, and I feel like that it's long enough flying experience that I can say what drone movements can be considered cinematic, or at least to me, close to cinematic shots. So I want to share to you my 5 favorite cinematic movements in drone videography. So number 1, pivot. This is a shot where our drone revolves around our subject. What's cool about this shot is it tracks the subject wherever it will go while continuously revolving around it. So in this shot, we have to use one of the intelligent flight mode. So to do that, click on this icon right here and select active track. So it says drag a box around the target on screen, then tap go. So let's go ahead, drag a box to our subject, my friend here, and there are actually 3 modes to this active track, but we're going to use the trace mode for this one. Click this mode and click OK. Now finally, we can see there is a slider that appears in the center of the screen. If I move this slider slowly to the right, it will start to move around our subject to the right or counterclockwise. And if we sway this slider to the left, it will move to the left or clockwise. If we're going to slide all the way to the right or to the left, the speed of our drone will increase to that direction. So make sure don't drag your slider abruptly, especially that there could be a hindrance along the pivotal path and hit something. And your drone could potentially fall on someone around and cause damage. So make sure to check the path of the pivot, no posts, trees, or buildings around. Also, don't forget to hit the record button for the record. And after you take the shot, make sure to click this to exit and stop the tracking. Number 2, subject reveal. This shot is very achievable, your drone pitching backwards or in reverse motion and your subject moving forward. It is important that subject's initial position is away or invisible from the frame, and as you pitch backwards, cue your subject to slowly walk forward, thus revealing him or introducing him into the shot or our frame. Number 3, top view. For me, no matter what type of movement that is, when the angle is on top, when your camera or your drone is on top of the subject, and of course your gimbal is tilting 90% downwards, it will always look cinematic, at least for me. If the camera is stable and your subject is moving, it looks good. If your drone is steady and your subject enters the frame, still looks good. Or even when the camera is on follow mode, top view shot will always look good. So be not afraid to try different shots combination using your camera looking downwards, or shall I say your gimbal looking 90% downwards. Number 4, side angle follow. I don't have any smart way to name this, but let's just name it as the side angle follow. This, when the subject is being followed on the side, this can be achieved by using another intelligent fly mode, the profile type active tracking. So remember earlier we used the active track. Instead of using the trace mode, select profile and then drag it back to our subject while he or she is on the side view. Once our subject starts walking, the drone will follow suit. This is one of the coolest, most intelligent feature of DJI. When you drag the box on our subject, it scans the general shape of our subject, thus named the profile mode. It uses a technique to keep it in memory and starts to follow its movement. When you lose your subject, obviously it loses its track. This is best used when the subject is on a speed or a car or a man jogging along the path. Be extra careful to check ahead, no obstacles that may come on the path. If our subject is walking, this shot may be an alternative to a gimbal following along. Combo moves. This is a shot where two opposing movements create some sort of illusion that you can't just explain. The concept is similar to that of the parallax shot or the dolly zoom effect. For this particular shot, we are going to move our drone downwards as we slowly tilt our gimbal up, revealing our subject in the frame. Okay. So let's watch it again. As you can see, I've tried many times. It's quite difficult to take this shot. So take as many shots as you can and then select later what is the best recorded shot. So this is called a combination move. While the gimbal is tilting up, the drone is going down. Or you can also try the gimbal is tilting down while your drone is going up. So again, feel free to choose any other combination. You can also use this while the drone is moving forward or backward. So any type of combination, I think it would look cinematic anyways. So there you have it, guys, my 5 favorite cinematic drone movements. I hope you like this video. Again, please leave a thumbs up or comment to my channel, subscribe to my channel even, and turn the bell notification. Thank you guys, be safe, and peace out.